Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where power, innovation, and passion for riding come together. Today, we're talking about a bike that's making serious noise in the performance world, the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050. Suzuki has taken everything riders love about the RM-Z DNA and dialed it up to an entirely new level. This isn't just an update, it's a statement. Design. The RM-Z 1050 looks every bit as aggressive as it performs. Suzuki has gone for a sharper, more athletic profile with a lightweight aluminum frame and bold new bodywork that's both aerodynamic and unmistakably RM-Z. The narrower midsection improves rider movement, while the adjustable ergonomics give it a tailored fit whether you're carving trails or chasing lap times. The lines are clean, the stance is mean, and it's built to move. Performance. Under the hood, or in this case, under the seat, sits a brand new 1,050 cubic centimeters power plant. Suzuki's engineers tuned this engine to deliver immediate torque, crisp throttle response, and a rush of power that doesn't let up. The weight-to-power ratio is impressive, and the revised suspension and chassis geometry keep the bike planted, stable, and incredibly agile. It's explosive off the line but surprisingly composed in the corners. Features and technology. And of course, Suzuki didn't hold back on tech. The RM-Z 1050 comes with selectable ride modes, advanced traction control, launch assist, and cornering ABS, giving riders full control over how they want to ride. A full-color TFT display integrates smartphone connectivity, while the updated ECU allows real-time tuning adjustments. It's lightweight, high-tech, and built for riders who push hard. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is more than just a powerful machine, it's a performance platform built for serious riders. It's sharp, smart, and ready to take on anything you throw at it. But what do you think? Is this Suzuki's new crown jewel? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if this review helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more first looks, deep dives, and honest impressions. Until next time, keep the throttle steady and ride safe.